cheesy bar for today's video. For the ingredients, mag-prepare lang tayo ng 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup grated cheese, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and salt to taste, and then 1/2 can of condensed milk. First, paghalo-haluin lang natin yung butter at saka sugar, then add 1 egg at a time. Mix mo lang using hand mixer, and then pour condensed milk. Haluin mo lang na mabuti. Then, add a grated cheese. Then, mix. Pagkatapos, ay halo na natin yung mga dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and salt. And then, dahan-dahan mo siyang haluin. And then, nag-prepare na ako ng pan na paglalagyan. Maglagay ka lang ng parchment paper, and then, ibuhos mo na yung mixture. Flatten mo lang, and ready na siyang i-bake. Nagpainit na pala ako ng oven kanina. 180 degree for 40 to 45 minutes. Na siyang maluto ay naglagay ako ng cheese on top. And after 45 minutes, ayan na't luto na.